Welcome to our channel. Listen, speak and learn English.
What? Ryan refused to marry Lenka? But why?
Yes. Hi, John. Thank you so much. Your advice worked. Ryan told my mom that he doesn't want to marry me.
Seriously, Lenka? That's amazing news.
It's all because of you.
Lenka, come here, dear.
All right, John. I'll catch up with you later. Bye.
Bye, Lenka.
Ryan, don't you like my daughter, Lenka?
No, Aunt. It's not like that. I just need some time to figure things out.
Hey, Ryan, what a surprise. What brings you here?
I asked him to come. You two should talk. I'll come.
Thank you, Ryan,
Thank you. For what?
for telling my mom that you don't want to marry me.
Yeah, I just feel like we shouldn't rush into anything. Lenka, would you like to go see a movie with me sometime?
I've got a few things to take care of today. How about we meet up in the evening instead?
That works for me. Looking forward to it.
All right, see you later then.
See you. Lenka, I'll drop you at the office. I'm actually heading that way.
Okay, Ryan, let's go.
Hello, Lenka. How do you do?
Hi, John. I'm out right now. I came to watch a movie with Ryan.
What? A movie with Ryan? Come on, John, you're overthinking. They're just friends. Okay, Lenka. Enjoy the movie.
Exactly. Every failure teaches you something valuable. Maybe this one is teaching you resilience, or maybe it's guiding you toward a better path.
But what if I fail again?
Then you learn again. You improve, you adapt, and you try once more. Success isn't about never failing, Arjun. It's about never giving up.
I never thought about it that way.
That's why I'm here to remind you. Trust yourself, have faith, and keep moving forward. Your journey isn't over yet.
Thank you, Uncle. I think I'm ready to try again.
That's the spirit, son. Now go show the world what you're capable of. Faith is the bridge between today's pain and tomorrow's joy.
Well, that was a great movie. I hadn't watched one in a long time. Thank you, Ryan.
I'm glad you liked it, but the night isn't over yet. Come on, I'll take you to another amazing place. You're going to love it.
Wow, Ryan. This place is incredible. I've never seen anything like it before.
Yeah, it's pretty special, but honestly, it's even better seeing it with you.
Aw, Ryan, that's so sweet. And look behind us, what a beautiful and pleasant view.
Yes, it is. The lights reflecting on the water and those palm trees under the night sky. It's just perfect.
Hey friends, are you enjoying the story so far? Let me know in the comments. So, Lenka and Ryan have become close friends, and they're having fun exploring the city and experiencing new adventures together. What do you think will happen next? Any guesses? Well, you'll have to wait for the next episode to find out. Make sure to stay tuned. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to show your support. See you soon.